Alright, let's go ahead and see how you can manage this plot size or a figure size. So we have plotted here movie rank versus movie revenue in millions. If you want to adjust this plot size, you can simply put here plt dot figure, and inside that you need to put here a figure size, which I say fig size equal to a tuple. There I say here 10 cross 6. So that's going to be a figure size. You need to put this plt.figure and plt.plot in a single cell so that it can draw this plot in this figure. Now if you run it once again, now you see there this plot is a little more larger what we had earlier. And if you want to remove this axis there, you can simply say here plt.show. Alright, so anyway, that's going to be removed there, and there you have your axis here. Now you see there is the maximum at this location, and you want to know that where is the maximum. So it is somewhere, seems like 13 or 14 or something like that. So you can simply put here movies. Inside this movies in revenue, this particular revenue in millions, that one we want to find out the maximum index in this. So there you say here id max, that is the index max. Then it says that the maximum index available here. Alright, seems like okay, it should be idx max. So it says that the 12 is the idx max here. Okay, and which one is the maximum value? So you can simply put here the movies and then dot ilog. In that I'm gonna just put here idx. Alright, that means that at the 12th location. So now you see there at the 12th index rank is 13 and the title is ROG1. It has the maximum revenue out of the top 50 movies which we downloaded here, which we loaded in our data frame. If you see this data frame, you will be seeing there it has almost 1000 movies there. Alright, the top 1000 movies in between 2006 to 2016, but out of those 1000 we have just loaded top 50 movies starting from the rank 1 to rank 50. Alright, so that's how you can plot your line plot movies rank versus movies revenue. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching this. I'll see you in next one.